Yes, welcome to Note Attender. In this video, I'm showing you how you can change your Discord profile picture. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Note Attender is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeful tech videos like this one. So let's get started. You have to open your Discord app, and when you have opened your Discord app, simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So when you tap on that, you come to this page, and from here tap on the user profile option. When you tap on the user profile option, you come to this page. So here you can see a circle with your profile picture in the top left corner. So simply click on this circle with your profile picture in the top left corner, and when you tap on that profile picture, you can see these two options in the bottom. Tap on the change avatar to change your profile picture. After that, you can tap on any of the apps where you from where you want to select your photos. Then you can simply tap on any of the images that you want to select as your profile picture. Then you can resize your this or adjust the size of the images by holding your two fingers, and then you can simply tap on this tick button in the top right corner. After that, to save these changes successfully, tap on the save button in the bottom right corner, and wait for some time. And by following this process, you can change your Discord profile picture. So that's it, that how you can do this. You can if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you next time.